Do I have experience cutting hair? Nope. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm trimming my own curtain bangs. Can you believe that? Wish me luck. Well, actually Chereen, my hairstylist, is going to help me out through video chat. So make sure to stay tuned because there's no way I could do this myself. If you guys want to know how I trim my own bangs, make sure to keep watching. Or am I going to fail at this? So it might be entertaining either way.
We're going to do it two ways.
Okay.
You have a part down the middle.
Yes.
So you're going to take, you see where my hands are? Like, I guess that's like, yes, exactly. That's like maybe an inch or two on each side. You're going to make like more of a triangular part. Yeah, exactly. And you're going to come down and like, you're going to section all the hair that's behind that, pull it back. Because you don't want to cut anything else, right?
Right. No.
That's really when people mess up their bangs. Those are what I always find when I'm fixing bangs from people doing it online, is that they go, oh, I took this part and I didn't realize. So section it first.
Okay.
Does that feel about right? Does it feel too heavy?
Because when I put my hair up and I leave my bangs out,
Mm-hmm.
essentially.
Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, it looks good. You're done, no? So take all that hair. Do you have a comb?
Yes.
Okay. So comb it forward so that's like, yeah, exactly. And then you're going to twist it. You're going to take it to the middle. Yeah, twist it. Hold it down, right? And we're going to start. So you want it as short as you had it before. So let's start first, maybe at your nose.
Okay, where at the nose?
So where your hand is now, do you want to do it in steps or do you want to just go for a big?
I don't know, because how badly could I really mess this up?
So I'm going to do it first on myself. Watch, I'm twisting it.
That'd be helpful.
I'm taking the shears and then I'm going to cut like the part that's out and kind of.
You're like this?
I think that's a good length.
Okay, so that's like right under where my nostrils are.
But if you can, try to do it from the middle. Make sure you get all of it. Are you pulling it?
Oh wait, yes I am.
Don't pull it. When you pull, you have too much. Let it go a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I'm glad.
Now do it. Do it really. You can do it slow. Okay, so now comb that out. Okay, so how's that length?
When I do a blowout, aren't the bangs a little bit higher, a touch higher because the volume? So I think this is a good length.
I think it's good too. That's what I was gonna say. But what I was gonna do, okay, so now we're gonna take this, because you know when I cut it, right? Now it looks more straight, right? A little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna do what you did before from the middle, but you're gonna half of it and then put that part away with clips.
See, I watch you cut my hair. I'm not always like on my phone or have a magazine, but they have to be even on both sides.
Well, that one's a little off.
Okay.
The one on the left is a little off. Try to make it a little bit even. Okay, so comb that forward. And okay, you know how like if I was to cut your hair, I'd go like this, snip, 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 snip.
Yes.
I would take that, and actually this side is a little bit shorter, I'm noticing. So you're gonna take that and you're gonna try to snip it. Do you understand what I mean? Like point cut it, but this is kind of technical, but I just wanna see, I think you can do it.
Yeah, I've seen you do that.
Just not too much tension.
This side is, not
Yes, that side is just a tad bit longer. That's what I'm talking about.
Right.
So you're gonna try to you're trying to make all that even, but you're gonna cut into it so it actually doesn't have to be perfectly even. Mm-hmm. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. So should I be really looking at the mirror or should I be looking at my hair?
I would look at your hair.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah. You could even move your hand up more. Like move your fingers. Yeah. Now do it. You could put the scissors in more if you want.
Oh.
Don't be scared.
Okay.
You see, it's all not gonna like fall out.
You know the hard part about doing this? You're looking, but you're not really seeing. I don't know if it's because of all the lights in here, or it's hard for me to tell if it's even or not.
I think if it's a little that side and that little corner that's longer.
This much?
And I want you to put the scissors in it again. All right, you can stop, I think. How do you feel about that?
I think it's pretty good. I think the only thing that I noticed, it's just not as blended.
Yeah. It's not gonna be probably. Okay, so take all of it forward and take your comb and comb it through. You're gonna point cut all of it now. And yeah, just make sure so when you're holding your hair, your bangs, make sure you have it so if you have it at your nose, make sure you keep that position, because if you go left or right, it will make one side longer than the other. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay. So
Mhm.
should my fingers be a little bit higher?
I think so, because if you lower, you're just gonna like point at the ends. You kind of want to blend it, so we want to cut into it a little bit. You're doing a good job. You can go to beauty school now.
Oh my gosh, too stressful. I feel
Well, you usually don't have to cut your own hair in beauty school though.
right, but like if you mess up on like clients, like
Oh yeah, people who can't take messing up usually drop out.
yeah, that'd be me.
Is their hair coming out?
Yeah.
Okay, I just can't see it fall. That's why I'm like,
Oh, okay.
all right. So comb it out now. Does it feel more blended now? Put your hair down, like take your hair out of the ponytail. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely better. I feel like
Is it too heavy? Like I usually take a little bit of weight out, right? So
like
you like it heavy, I think, a little bit.
yeah, I don't want to see my skin, I guess, peeking through too much.
Mm-hmm.
But I think like this side, I think looks really good or better.
Mm-hmm.
This side I feel
So that side has like a little bit of unevenness. Where's that piece coming from? You see that that where's that coming from? We missed a piece or something? Was it not in the section before?
maybe.
Here was the next technique I was going to show you. So you have your hair down, right? This side looks really good. It's like it's framing your cheekbones. That looks good. So usually, like if I've come to the end and I've cut your hair, I would go like slide cut it. So that piece that you see on this side, I think you should try to like slide cutting it.
Tuck this back.
Yeah, tuck that back, maybe put a clip there and comb it as if you were going to style it, like how the other side looks. Yeah, and so it's not a lot that's wrong with it, but that little piece, maybe just you're going to angle downward. You have to do what feels comfortable. Like I don't, because I'm used to using shears, but if you're scared of cutting yourself or something like that. Is that the piece? But hold on a second. Don't go in like this. Go like down. Yeah. The angle, the thing about cutting, it's all in how you hold your shears. So if you cut something like it's going to be blunt. If you cut down, it's going to be softer. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. So down like this.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Doing good. Does that feel better? Huh?
I think I could do a little more.
Does it match the other side?
Yeah, like I feel like I still need to cut like this. See right here.
Mm-hmm.
Versus see how that looks.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I would just slide cut it a little bit because I think the other side, the thing about curtain bangs, they go from short to long. So they are going from short to long. So that part just looks a little bit too heavy, I think. Professional.
I think that's pretty good, or at least the best that I'm gonna be able to.
This is the best YouTube bangs I've seen.
Hey, that's saying something. So then do I have to do anything with the pieces that like come right after this?
Okay, let's see. Let's see them.
So usually when I have my hair up and I leave my bangs in, there are a couple of pieces. Like this piece. There we go. I think it's just that. It's like so light.
Okay. Where's that piece on the other side? Oh, so they're long. Okay. Clip your hair back. Turn to the side for me. How much longer do you want them to be? They look pretty long. They frame your face, but they don't look that bad. They just need to be blended. So I would like slide cut them like I just showed you to follow your cheek. And I would go a little bit longer but make sure you angle it. You could hold it, but don't pull tension. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And then make your shears more angled if you can. Yeah. And then slide down them.
Do I slide do I cut or down?
Yep. Cut and slide.
But now how do I match it?
So you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So that's how you'll know where to cut. Right?
Oh, I see. So it's really only a touch.
Yeah, it's a touch. Yep. Oh, look at you.
I did it, guys.
I think the left side is better than the right, but
yeah, no, I was just about to say that. This side feels blended. I think that's
that side somehow came out better. I don't know why, but I'm thinking when we twisted it, maybe you were slightly to one side more. But it doesn't look bad.
Yeah, and I feel like once I do like a blowout and I use a round brush,
Uh-huh.
it won't be so obvious because they're gonna like.
Yeah, no, it's not. It only looks obvious right now. But and I think it looks obvious to me because it's like I'm a professional, and it looks obvious to you because it's your hair. But I don't think it's. I don't think it like it's like whoa, look at what she did. Like no, it looks pretty. It looks pretty good.
Wow, I can't believe I did it.
Yeah, because even when you turned to the side, it looked really good. It didn't look bad. Nice.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You did a great job.
Hi guys, I'm back. It's been a couple of days. My hair is finally styled and the bangs look pretty good. I can't believe I cut them myself. I just wanted to do a quick recap and a couple of tips along the way. My first tip is pull your hair back. Exactly what Chereen said. Her past clients, when they come in and they cut their own hair, they accidentally cut pieces over here, maybe the back of their head. So make sure to pull the rest of your hair back in a ponytail or in a clip. Second tip, when you initially cut your hair, you know how I put my hair towards the front and I twisted it for the initial cut? Make sure you're going slow, but also you're straight. And you wanna go like this, because that's where I messed up. I don't think I was perfectly straight, which is why this side was a little bit longer than the other side. Remember, go slowly. It's not a rush at all. Third tip, it's all about the angle of your scissors. You guys probably noticed Chereen was always reminding me that I should be trimming my hair on an angle like this. This really blends all the hairs together and it doesn't look so blunt. So try not to do this. Fourth tip, which is my last tip, don't hold your hair so tightly. I was doing that a lot throughout the video and Chereen again always had to remind me, kind of hold it in a loose way. Like don't be so tight like this. Be gentle. Like you wanna grab it but not so tightly because it will affect how short your hair is going to look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I really try to make my videos informative but also entertaining. Please let me know in the comments below what other hair videos would you like to see from me. And if you want more hair content, I'll leave a playlist right here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. If you guys want Chereen's info, I'll make sure to leave it down below. Make sure to check out her Instagram. She lives in New York City and she has 2 studios. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!